Good morning, everyone. This is your environmental studies period. Today we will continue our chapter Travel and Communication Part 2. In the previous video, we have already learned about travel. Now, today we will learn about communication. So, students, first of all, we have to know what is communication. So, communication means to share our thoughts and information with others. You can see in the picture, there are two people, they are talking with each other. Okay, so this is called communication when we express our thoughts and feelings to someone. It is called communication. There are some modes of communication. There are some modes of communication by which we talk to others. We communicate by different means. Let's see. There are four categories. There are four main categories or communication style. So they are verbal, non-verbal, written or visual, or you can say speaking, writing and using sound. So student, verbal communication is the use of language to transfer information using language, or we can say when we communicate by speaking with a person face to face. You can see in the picture they are talking with face to face. In this picture also, in this picture also. This is called verbal communication. It is very helpful to support verbal communication with non-verbal and written communication. Verbal means when we talking face to face. Okay. Now come to the next. This is the type of, can you recognize from the picture? This is the type of written communication. This is the type of written communication. We can also communicate by writing a message. Written communication is the act of writing, typing, or printed symbols like letters and numbers to convey information. It is helpful because it provides a record information. Writing is commonly used to share information through books, pamphlets, blogs, letter, and more. So, student, in the early days, there is there was a message sending by pigeon also. Then come to the next. This is the postal information, and these are the newspapers through which we communicate with others. The message is printed in the papers and then people read this message. So they know about the thought of other people. Your uncle and aunts write the letters. So we can read the thoughts of your uncle and aunt. So now come to the next. Student, these pictures, through these pictures, drawing, sketches, these are the visual information. This video and this TV, these are the visual information to from others. And this is the telephone. Through telephone, we communicate with others. Through television, we communicate with others. You have seen the some advertisement and lots of people see that information. Student, do you know who invented this telephone? Graham Bell. Graham Bell invented telephone. So this is the very common and useful means of communication nowadays. These are some more means of communications like internet, mobile phone, radio. These are also a means of communication by which we can talk or we can share the thoughts of other with the help of these means of communication. Student, you know very well what is means and communication. म- मतलब वो तरीके जिनसे हम लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं, हम दूसरों के थॉट्स को शेयर कर सकते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. Students, sometimes people who are not able to speak or hear use movement. Okay. Sometimes people who are not able to speak or hear, then they use movement made with hands and head. Okay. To express their feelings. In in early days there is no language, the people use some signs, some pictures also. Okay, so look at this picture. When we put their hand at this position, it means they call mommy, and then they took their hand on head, it is daddy. When we take the position of this type, it means baby. So these are the signs, these are the expression. This is called sign language. This is called sign language. So students, at the end of the chapter, I hope you all have understood about the travel and communication. So communication, means of communication is to share our thoughts and information with others, and means of communication means the mode which we have to use to express our feelings, our ideas to others is called means of communication. Means of communication, example of means of communication is like letters, like telephone, TV, mobile. These are the means of communication. And what is the meaning of travel? Travel means when we use vehicles to move on land, water or air. When we go somewhere is called travel. So student, these are the points you have to remember. There are three types of transport: land, water and air. And aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. You know very well, aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. And at the end, we can communicate by, there are three methods by which we have to communicate. By speaking, for speaking we use face-to-face expression, we use mobile, okay, and writing, we use newspaper, magazine, they are the writing. And when we use sign, writing we have already know letters. Letters are also writing procedure. And when we use sign, means gestures, is called sign language. So you have to read this chapter one or two times, then you have understood about these things. So I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you. Enjoy this video. Stay home, stay safe.